Hello everyone, this is Martin. Hope you're doing well. Many of us miss our friends lately as we don't get to see them in person anymore. Here are a few ideas to stay in touch with them while the schools are closed. You can write them a letter. You can draw a super nice painting for them. You can also ask one of your parents to help you call them via Zoom, Skype or WhatsApp. And now I can see Deborah who's waiting for us, and I'm wondering what she prepared for us today. Enjoy.
Thank you, Marta. Hello, everybody. I'm Deborah, and today I'm going to teach you how to play with character design. We are going to make one of these together, and so I'm going to show you how to create characters using scraps of paper that you have lying around and some tape. And I'm also going to show you how to draw your emotions in a very cute, simple way that the Japanese call kawaii. And so I'm gonna show you how to express your emotions through character design, and we're gonna make a cute little sign for our doors and for all of our friends and family, okay? So do you wanna make one with me? This is what you're gonna need. We will use just a piece of paper to draw, and then if you have scraps of paper, you could use those. I have a lot of little pieces of paper like these that I used in some workshops with children, and then I kept them, so I'm gonna use some of them. But if you don't have those scraps of paper, just bring pieces of paper that you've been using on our previous workshops, and I'll show you how to use them. And then if you have tapes and things that you can use also to decorate, it's cool. I'm gonna put them here, no, here. And you know, pens and pencils, whatever you want to use to draw and decorate your characters. And also glue. I'm gonna use glue to put the papers together. And if you have any extra material that you want to use, bring them on. I want to start by showing you my sketchbook and show you some of the characters that I've made in the past, so they can inspire you, hopefully. So this is one character I've done. You can see that I used here just a tiny piece of paper that is just cut, and another tiny piece and here, and then this is tape, and then I just completed with some drawings. This is another one. Again, see, it's just a piece of paper with tape and another piece of paper with some drawings, and then I just complete the drawings. Here's another cool example where I got this triangle, and just imagine that this was the body of this guy, and he's in the top of the mountain, which became a turtle afterwards. Her head, I lost her head. This one is cool because I did the head in a separate paper. And then you can just add it here, like this. Or like that. If you want it to be happy, you just turn it around. Ta-da! One of the most interesting things you can do with character design is to use it to express what you're feeling. And I have this very cool book here that I don't understand because I got it when I was in Japan. But what I love about this book is that it shows very simple ways of expressing and drawing emotions. For instance, look at how it's expressed here, that she is like shy. Look, they're all shy. And it's expressed just, if you pay attention, these are just some red lines that are put like this. And that gives the impression of being shy. Or crying. Look, he's sad. This one is kind of sad too. embarrassed. Look, this one is very sad also. And this one, it's a very interesting way to understand how we are feeling, understand our emotions and express them. And for the parents that are watching this video, I really recommend that you encourage your children to express their emotions on a daily basis. Because children, they make sense of what's happening around them through playing. And through an exercise like this of creating a character that is expressing an emotion that I'm feeling, I'm also in a process of knowing myself better and knowing what are my emotions and how do they manifest in my body, how do they happen inside of me. And so that's a very interesting exercise that I am suggesting to you, and now I'm going to show you how to create some characters using those expressions. So here we go. I got my paper here. I'm gonna get a piece. I'm gonna use this. An accidental touch can be cool also. Let's see what comes. Now I have these stickers and I think they give good eyes. Like that. And a little nose. And then a big smile. And maybe we can even put a crown here. One character is ready. Cool! Now let's make another one. Let's say that you don't have some of those, that you don't have the cut ones, like the spare ones, and you want to create some. And so you get the paper that you were using before and just grip it with your hand like this. Get it, a piece of paper and just grip it like that. And see what comes. So I got this shape. Then maybe some tape. And maybe it has a little arm here. Another one here. See, and then you just keep creating lots of those. There you go. And this is a beautiful sign for you to put on at your door, in your bedroom, or to take a picture and send to all your friends. Now I want to show you how to draw in this style of kawaii. Kawaii, it's a Japanese word that means cute. And so I'm going to show you how to draw these expressions that I learned when I was visiting Taiwan and Japan. So let's do it. Let's start with a cute one. So we draw a little round shape like this. It doesn't need to be perfect. And then we're going to draw one eye like this, another eye like this, and then we are going to put one eye here, And now to give a bit of the expressions, we come here and we add a little color. Okay, this is one emotion, and let's draw another one. Let's draw a sad one. There are many ways that you can draw sadness. I'm gonna show you a very simple one. You just draw two eyes closed like this, and the mouth. And this. And then you get the blue and you draw one blue line like that. That's crying. Now let's draw an angry one. That's quite angry. Let's draw a cute one. How about a surprised one? I'm gonna do a surprised one here. Annoyed. So these are some basic expressions that you can use and keep working and playing with it. And please show us if you create other expressions, please share it with us. I hope you enjoyed exploring character design with me and that you created a beautiful, beautiful sign. And please share it with us with the hashtag #PassTheCreation so we can see what you're making and we can exchange with you. And now we're going to go back to Martin for a very nice relaxation exercise. Thank you everybody, and I see you very soon. Go Martin!
Thank you, Deborah. As it becomes a tradition, we're going to focus now on relaxation, on how to calm down and how to get centered. It's very simple. You're going to first stand up straight or sit up straight. You're going to take a few minutes to feel the connection and to relax. Try to feel the connection between your feet and the ground, and your body and the chair. You're going to place one hand on your chest, another one on your belly, and you're going to breathe slowly and deeply. Are you breathing from your stomach or from your chest? Try to feel that connection. Try to breathe slowly and deeply from your stomach, and you exhale from your mouth. Don't hesitate to do that several minutes and take the time to really concentrate on your breathing and try to forget about everything else. Don't forget that the breathing technique is an incredible technique that you can always use if you're feeling anxious or stressed out. It's extremely simple, that's why many people don't do it, but it's extremely efficient. So I encourage you to do it for several minutes alone or with your friends or with your family. And now this is the end of this session. I hope you enjoyed it. We will see each other again in a few days. And until then, take good care of yourself and take good care of the people. Tschüss!